Hi guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Hogwarts Legacy for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the NVIDIA GTX 960 2GB VRAM graphics card. That's right, we're going down in power now with a GTX 960. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory, and I'm running at pretty much the normal settings. I am using OpenGL because OpenGL runs better on YUZU and Ryujinx. If you are asking me, Ryujinx is the best way to play the game, although it's on PC, but oh crap. Whoops. Well, that happened. But yeah, like I was saying, Ryujinx is probably the best way. It has a lot of graphical issues, but it's the most stable of all of them I've seen. And once again, that is with OpenGL. On NVIDIA, AMD, you're screwed, is what I'm saying. But yeah, it somehow performs well. This is running on an SSD, so, you know, it is what it is. And let's move on with that, I guess. We are getting flickerings every once in a while. It's not here right now. I had a lot of stutter flickering at first. I just simply turned off YUZU and went back on, and it worked the second time around. It's still able to push the CPU, but this CPU is if I have to bet, I'm gonna go with this CPU as a bottleneck to some extent as well. But I wanted to test on something lower end. The i3 10th gen normally handles it. This CPU is a bit more of a struggle, which is an i7-4790, which is actually quite powerful. As you can see, my CPU is throttling like crazy at 3.6 gigahertz. That's not great, not great at all. When it can go up to 4, that means that you're really hammering me right now. But you know, I'll deal with it. And there isn't a lot happening, which makes it worse. Once again, I've tested this already on the PC, so you know, I wouldn't recommend this to anyone really wanting to play this game. I mean, how badly do you want to play it, I should ask? How badly do you want to play this? If you have a low-end system, because obviously there's a lot less storage for this game. I feel like this game is over 80 gigabytes on PC, and here it's like, what, 14? Or something like that? It's way less. That is correct. So yeah, definitely it's a CPU issue because once again, as I said, it doesn't actually run a 960. I don't believe the 960 is even being pushed at this point. It's not even using 2 gigs of VRAM. So we are running into a CPU bottleneck, I would imagine. Which is just great. And perfect at the same time. For those of you who have low-end systems. Lumos.
Now the reflection is turning towards me.
Yikes, the seizure warning. Yeah, a lot's happening, and that's the thing, a lot isn't happening is what I should say. Definitely struggling on this CPU, I must say. The game has a lot of glitches and issues. I just wanted to show you guys this. If you guys can check out, you can check out me actually playing it on the i3, 10th gen i3. That runs way better with a GTX 970 or a Vega 56 if you have AMD. Runs way better on those. On here, it's gonna struggle. I'm also gonna try it on Ryujinx to see if that's better, but YUZU looks like a no-go with this. Like, this is running terribly. This is the worst experience I've had on this so far. I wouldn't be surprised if it just crashed. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time because I really do think it just crashed. Yeah, nothing's coming. I'll see you guys next time.